I'm Tim Wildy from San Diego National Labs. I'm in the Optimization UQ department.
I actually knew very little about IPAM before being part of this process because the math institutes are NSF funded and the national labs have really no footprint in NSF. There's not as much awareness of the opportunities that exist for lab people to participate in long programs like this. Certainly we all participate in workshops from time to time, but there's so much more to IPAM and the institutes than just the individual workshops. I found it to be far more interesting and exciting than I thought it was going to be.
Plasma shot at D3D typically lasts about 6 seconds long.
There's a bunch of startups in industry around fusion energy, and it's very interesting to hear the type of questions they ask and understand their objectives, because they're oftentimes very different from academia. And sometimes they're aligned with the labs, but not always.
If you don't know what an expected information gain, you should probably guess no.
The NSF keeps track of these things for about 2.5 years with follow-on retreats, and I think that's where the real value will come. Over the next year or so, keeping in touch with many of the people that I've met here, writing proposals together, writing papers together, just new collaborations. I've learned so much being here, much more than I could have just staying at my home institution.